Scratch tape it.
I don't know. I don't want any papers. Cuddles, come here! Oh, you bad face. Come here! My phone. Got it. Savage. Savage. You cray cray. Dog, you cray cray. Ready? Ooh! My phone. Don't jump on me like that. I know. I'm stronger than you. Oh. This is awkward. The leg down. Sorry. Sorry, that's my phone. Say hi! Say hi, my texting thing won't my kick. It's like, I got an itch. And my laugh is so weird. You bit me! You bum! Whatever, I don't care. I do not care. I don't care. Cuddles! Are you done? Are you... Oh, you're not done. Tell us that you're done. Oh, really? Really? Hey, Cuddles, you want a hot dog? Oh, OMG! Come on! He likes hot dogs, guys. Good. He loves hot dogs. He cannot live without them. He doesn't eat his dog food. Funny enough, he just likes to eat hot dogs. He's a weirdo. Cuddles! Look at you! Like, I want the hot dog now! That's kind of awkward, but you know. Yeah. Oh, you eat it. That was so cute. What? What, baby? Oh. What? What is it? You were so precious. Sneeze. You were so precious. It's awkward. Hey, baby. I have 2 pieces for now. You alright? It's like it's up there. You saw me going. Whatever, hopefully they'll get the message. Oh, beast! Oh god, I love this puppy. Well, he's not a puppy. Dog. It's like he goes. Nope. Muffin! He's like, yes. Up. Okay, what the... Don't eat my face. I'm giving you food. You should love me for that. Back up. No, let's jump, you idiot. Back. Wow! Sit. Sit. No, that's not. Sit. That's not. No, don't attack me. Sit. Stay. Cuddles. Okay, fine. Here. That's sad. I'm tired too. Okay, for all you that don't know, it's about my doggy. Say hi, Cuddles. He's like, no. What was that? Are you okay? Obviously, but he's just on a boost right now. He's like, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. No. Lie down. Oh boy. Okay. Up. Don't eat my face. Ready? Go get it. Come here. You eat. You. Get the food. Jeez. I am wearing pants. I'm wearing clothes. Obviously. It's kind of awkward. Ew. Here. Ow! You idiot! Okay, he's gonna finish that. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Peppy. Okay, come here, Cuddles. No, I don't have any. Sit. Sit. No, sit. No, don't eat my. Frig, you're annoying. Sit. Quit being cute. Sit down. Stay with your butt and let's lay down, but whatever. That works too. My dog, he's a breed. I don't know what breed he is. I got him when I was like really young. 4 or 5 or 6, I don't remember. So he's ish. But isn't he cute? Ignore the watery stuff. I think it's him just like cleaning his eyes or something. He's okay, guys, okay? Like, he's okay. Are you okay? I don't know. I think he scratches his eyes a lot, and it's like making them kind of like raw. So it's kind of like making him cry, I guess. I don't know. But it's something like that. Cuddles, we don't do that on camera. Serious face. Oh, I love you so much. His name's Cuddles. He's a boy. He's big. Either, whatever you want to call it. You're not a cat. It's like, I know. I know I'm not a kitty. Cuddles, go in your tent. Go in your tent. Your tent. Look, Cuddles. Your tent! Go in your tent. Ready? 1, 2. No, it's, you idiot. You are such an idiot. I love you, though. You're stupid, but I love you. It's in there! Go. It's in there! Sorry, my laugh is the weirdest laugh you'll ever hear. What is my donut doing on the ground? Oh, this is Autumn's. Never mind. It's a fake donut, just so you know. Cuddles, look! It's in there! Ready? Get it! It's in there! Go get it! It's okay! This is blanket. This is his thing. Ow! He likes to crush the fairy tales and eat them. Don't you eat the fairy tales! I guess I do. Girl, I do. Look at his collar. Okay, I'm going to take off his collar for a second. Jeez. Calm down. Okay, where's your collar? Cuddles, stop for a second. Stop for a second. Hey. Cuddles. Knock it off for... don't you dare. Sorry. Just taking... Hey. Hey. Stop. I'm taking off your collar. It's okay. It's okay, Muffin. No, baby, it's okay. Okay, I can't take it off. He's like thinking I'm gonna like strangle him, or he's just like eating my hands like he's licking like nom 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 nom. Say hi. Let me say bye. See you guys. Something. Here's a picture. It's crappy. Cuddles. Say bye.